Good morning, students. Let's begin with question number 3. Because up to question number 1 and 2, up to 2 we have done in the last video of exercise 22.1. Today we will deal with question number 3. Ruchika works in a customer care call center where the employees keep a record of the number of minutes each telephone call lasts. Okay? Means Ruchika is working in a customer care center and she is collecting the data of number of minutes of telephone call. She collects the following data: 10 minutes, 25 minutes, different calls, different minutes. Okay, so we have to convert the data into frequency table. Here we are going to learn how to make the frequency distribution table. Okay, so frequency distribution table is very simple. You can see first question number 3, A number. First we will write time in minutes, which is given. All these are time, different time, okay, in minutes. And after that we will make tally mark, and after that we will make the frequency distribution table. You can make frequency also here, tally also here, no matter. And let's see how. Like, first of all you have to see all the minutes: 10 minutes, 25 minutes, 31 minutes, 19, 31 is 2 times, 19 minutes, 13, 26, 19, all different types of minutes you have to write here: 10, 13, 19, 20, 25, 26, 28, 30, 31. Okay. After that you have to observe that 10 minute is how many times here. So you can see 10 is 1 time, 2 time. 10 minute is 2 times. So in the place of frequency, means how frequently 10 minute occurred, you have to write here. It's frequency 2. And tally marks for 2, you will write just 2 line. 1, 2. Okay. Now 13 minute. 13 minute is how many times? 1, 2. Only 2 time. So 13 minutes also 2 time. 19 minutes. You observe, just see 1, 2, 3, 4. 19 minutes is 4 times. So we will write in the place of frequency 4, and for tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 20. 20 is only 1 time here. Okay, so 20 only 1 time. So frequency also 1, here only 1 line. 25 also 1 time. Similarly 26, you can see 26 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 26 is 6 time. So we will write in the place of frequency 6 and this tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 line will, 5th number line will always go slant. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Always 5th number line will go as slant. Now 28 is 1 time, 30 is 1 time and 31 is 2 time. You can see from this data. This is only the frequency distribution table. Simple. Now next question is, how many minutes does the longest and shortest call last, and also calculate the range. So longest call is, students, longest call is for 31 minutes and the shortest call is for 10 minutes. And we have to find out the range also. So longest call lasts for 31 minutes, shortest call lasts for 10 minutes and range is equal to what? Maximum value minus minimum value. So it will be equal to 21 minutes. Range also we can find out like this. Now question number C. Calculate the mean, median and mode. Yes, in this case mean you have to find. So for mean you have 2 method. One, you will add up all these numbers and divide by number of observation. How many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you will divide by 20, add up all. This is first method. And the second method is, we have mean formula. This is the formula for mean. Mean is equal to summation. This symbol is called summation. Fi into xi. I denotes the number of observation. 1, 2, I value different. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, ... F1, x1. F2, x2. Means summation of this multiplication of frequency and time you have to take. Divided by summation of Fi. Summation means we will add up sum of all the values. Here also sum of all the values. But what is this? Fi into xi. How you will find out this Fi into Xi? F into X means frequency into this time. This we have denoted as X and this frequency as F. Okay. So 10 into 2. You will multiply this 2. F into X and write down here. 10 into 2. 10 to 20. 13 into 2. 26. 19 into 4. Just multiplies. 76. And then 20 into 1. 20. Then 25 into 1. 25. Then 26 into 6. 156. Then 28 into 1. 28. 30 into 1. 30. 31 into 2. 62. Now you have to write its total. Total here you have to write. Add up all these numbers. Just after addition you will get 443. Okay. And you have to add this frequency also. Total frequency. So 2 plus 1 3 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay. Addition of frequency is 20 and Fi into Xi means frequency into this value multiplied and written here. Okay. In the place of this mean we will write, means in the place of summation of F into X, this is the summation of F into X. Summation means is add up value. Okay. 443 divided by what is summation of frequency. Summation of frequency means sum of all the frequency that come 20. Okay. Now 443 divided by 20. If you will divide it, you will get here. Divide it. 22 ja again 40. Decimal put here. We will get here 30. 21 ja 20. Here we will get 10. For decimal we will take one more 0. 25 is 100. Okay. So we have got it here 22.15 minutes is the mean minutes. Mean, to find out the mean we have this method also, or you can add all the numbers and divide by the number of observation. Both the method are same. Okay. Here we are finding out by multiplying because numbers are more. So this method will be easy for you. Okay. For less number you can add and some just divide by the number of observation. That also you can do. Now C number. Yes, mean, C number, mean we have already taken out. Now median. How to find out the median, students? Median, for median we have formula. How many numbers are there? 20. So 20 is even number. So first of all we have to arrange all this number in ascending or descending order. So arrange it. So just arrange it. After arranging we will get it here, like all these numbers we have arranged in ascending order. Okay. Now median. Median formula, this is even number. So we will take the even number formula. N by 2th term plus N by 2 plus 1th term by 2. So N is 20. So 20 by 2th term. 20 by 2 plus 1th term. So 20 by 2 means 10th. If you will cancel it, 2 10 ja 20. And 2 10 ja 20 plus 1 11th term. 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. What is 10th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th term is this. And 11th term is this. So add up all these two numbers and divide it by 2. Okay. And we will get 51 by 2. That will be equal to 25.5. Okay. Now what is mode, students? Mode is most frequently occurring number. So 26, you know, it is occurred here in this data 6 times. So 26 will be the mode. Maximum number of times 26 is coming. So 26 will be the mode. Now question number D. Which central tendency best describes the situation and is useful in estimating the total time the employees are at work? Yes. Which mean, median or mode? Which one describes the best that how much time each employee is working? So mean will describe, because mean is the average. Okay. Average time of all this data. So mean describes best. So its answer will be only mean. Got it? Now I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 4. The numbers 50, 42, 41, 35, 20, 2x plus 10 is together one number and 2x minus 8 is one number. 12, 11, 8, 6 are arranged in descending order and their median is also given and it is also arranged. No need to arrange it. It is arranged in a descending order. Median is given 25. You have to find out the value of x. So very simple. You know how to find out the median because median is given. So numbers, first of all, count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. Question number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is even. So n value will be 10. 10 is even number. So we will use this formula. So in place of 10, we will write, in place of n, we will write 10. 10 by 2th term by 10 by 2 plus 1th term by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 5th term and 6th term divided by 2. So 5th term is where and 6th term is where. So look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5th term and this is 6th term. So you will take both the term and divide it by 2. So 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 10 minus 8 will be equal to 2. So 4x plus 2 by 2 is the median. But according to question, median is already given. That is 25 given. This is the median 25. So can we equate it? This is median and this is also median. Now we will get the value of x here. This 2 is in divide. It will go this side. It will come in multiply. So 2 into 25 will be equal to 50. Now 4x plus 2. This 2 will go here in minus. 50 minus 2 that is equal to 48. And this 4 will come in divide. So 4 12 is 48 and the value of x is 12. We have to find out in this question only the value of x. Median is given. Okay. Now question number 5. The mean weight of 6 boys in a group is 48 kg. Mean weight is given. If 5 boys of the group weigh this and if 5 boys weight is given, you have to find the weight of the 6th boy. So it is also very simple. We will let the weight of 6th boy be x. Okay. And mean is given. Mean, how to find out the mean? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of observation is 5 boys weight you have to add up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and but the 6th boy weight we have let as x. And we will divide it by 6 because number of observation is 6. Now add up this value but x you have to write as it is. Okay, and mean is given 48. So in the place of mean we can write 48. Now you can see 6 will go this side. We will get 288 and this 235 will come this side. We will get the value of x that is 53 kg. So x means what? 6th boy's weight is x. So 6th boy weight is 53 kg. Clear to you? So this exercise you have to solve, student. Next day we will do the bar graph. Okay.